Hello, welcome WBP the Star. Welcome to Sala Rim Naam. My name is Chef Prasert. I'm the executive Thai chef, Mandarin Oriental Bangkok. Today I have to prepare the scallop salad. What we have for the scallop salad, we have the jumbo scallop, and the dressing. This one, after that we have to pan fry, and this the dressing we call the pla scallop. Okay, we have the ingredient. What we have is the dry chili. We have to roast first, and the shallot also we have to roast, and garlic, galangal, fish sauce. This is for seasoning, and lime juice, sugar, and chili. This is for the lard paste. Yeah. After that we have the dressing. We have the spicy lime, we have the chilies dressing, and then we come out for the part before. This is gonna come out like this. This is the lard paste. Okay, and the dressing. We have cafe lime, we have the coriander, and the shallot, spring onion, and lemongrass slice. This one gonna come out for the hoi shell. Okay, the scallop salad. Okay, we're gonna continue to make the scallop salad. Yeah. Oh, enough. And hot. Get some oil. The pan now ready. We need to cook the scallop. We need very high heat of the pan. Okay. Yeah. Smoking. Actually, when they have the kind of the salad, this one they like to prefer to have the medium cooking. We cook before the scallop. back to the station. Right, we continue to the scallops salad. I will make the dressing now. It's a lard paste. Spicy lamb dressing. And chili dressing. And this one, the lime juice, syrup, and fish sauce. Add in. We mix. Okay. Yeah. So that we add salad slice, spring onion, lemongrass, lamb, and coriander. Then just slowly to mix. Okay, we're ready, and then we go for the scallop salad. Continue for the scallop salad. Now I'm plating. Make a dressing. Okay, then we top with the dressing. Ready to serve.